What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is Sonic the Hedgehog here, and today what I wanted to do for you guys is I wanted to debunk the age of the Earth. Yes. So today we're going to debunk the age of the Earth. So a lot of scientists will tell you guys that the Earth is like 4.6 billion or 4.4 billion years old, whatever they tell you. And I tell you guys that science is wrong, 100% wrong. The age of the Earth is not billions of years old. It's not even millions of years old. It's not even hundreds of thousands of years old. We're not even in 5 digits. The age of the Earth is around 6,000 years old. And if you guys don't believe that, let me explain. So if you read the book of Genesis chapter 1, you can clearly see that it did not take billions of years for God to create the earth. In fact, it only took 6 days. Some preachers will tell you 7, but God rested on the 7th day. He didn't create the earth on the 7th day. He rested on the 7th day. But 6 days of creation, not billions of years like all of these pseudo-scientists will tell you. Yes, it only took 6 days to create everything, the universe, and everything that's within it. And you might be asking, well, couldn't he have just created the whole earth in 6 days billions of years ago? No. Because the Bible gives genealogy, it gives genealogy tracks. And if you guys can actually trace, I believe it's in the Old Testament, you can trace the genealogy from the first man of creation, Adam, all the way down to King David. And in the New Testament, you can trace the genealogy from Jesus Christ all the way back to King David. And if Jesus Christ was born around 4 BC as the earliest to 0 AD at the latest, we can safely conclude that the earth is no more than 7,000 years old, but it's probably more likely around 6,000 years old. So, yep, there you go. And you guys, it's interesting, ask some scientists that teach you science. If God created all the stars on the same day, why do these scientists tell you that those stars are billions of years old, while these stars are only a few 100,000 years old? Ask yourself, how is that possible if God created everything, all the stars, on the same day? How could some be billions of years older than other stars? Doesn't make any sense. What does make sense, however, is the 6 days of creation. Notice, you cannot actually 100% test anything that is older than a few thousand years. Notice. A lot of scientists will tell you, well, evolution happened over millions and millions of years, and humans, keep in mind I'm a hedgehog, but humans came from monkeys. Again, ask these scientists, can you produce one skeleton? And the answer is always, nope, they cannot. But yes, 6 days of creation, the earth is only a few thousand years old. Thanks for watching, guys, this episode of Sonic Debunks the